Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. Tiles laying machines are innovative tools designed to streamline the process of installing floor and wall tiles. These machines simplify tile placement, ensuring precision, uniformity, and efficiency, making them a valuable asset for both professional tilers and DIY enthusiasts. By minimizing manual effort and enhancing accuracy, these tools reduce the time and labor required for tile installations while delivering a flawless finish. Tiles laying machines are equipped with features like suction cups for secure tile handling, adjustable settings for different tile sizes, and ergonomic designs for user convenience. Whether you're working on a small renovation or a large-scale construction project, these machines are indispensable for achieving a professional-grade tile installation. Number 1. Mufasha Tiles Laying Machine. The Mufasha Tiles Laying Machine is a versatile and efficient tool designed to simplify the process of laying tiles. Aimed at both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it combines robust construction with user-friendly features to help ensure smooth and precise tile installations. The Mufasha Tiles Laying Machine is a highly effective tool for anyone looking to streamline their tile installation process. It offers excellent power, precise control, and is perfect for both professionals and DIYers tackling larger tile projects. Its quick charging, high suction strength, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any tiling toolkit. Number 2. Gisam Tiles Laying Machine. The Gisam Tiles Laying Machine is a versatile and efficient tool designed for professionals involved in tile installation, particularly those working on renovation teams or large decoration projects. With its adjustable vibration speed and robust suction power, it makes tile laying faster and more precise. The Gisam Tiles Laying Machine stands out as a highly practical tool for professionals in the tile installation industry. Its combination of adjustable vibration settings, powerful suction strength, and durable materials makes it a great investment for renovation teams and decoration projects. Whether you're working with large tiles or need precise placement on walls, this machine delivers consistent, reliable performance. Number 3. Hormy 18 to 150 Tiles Laying Machine. The Hormy 18 to 150 Tiles Laying Machine is a powerful and efficient tool designed for professional tile laying projects and DIY enthusiasts. It combines strong performance with ease of use, making it suitable for a wide range of tile laying operations. The Hormy 18 to 150 Tiles Laying Machine is a reliable and efficient tool that simplifies the tile laying process. Its powerful performance, adjustable features, and strong adsorption capacity make it a must-have for anyone looking to achieve professional quality results. While it's best suited for indoor and medium-scale projects, its versatility and ease of use are commendable. Number 4. Onevan Tiles Laying Machine. The Onevan Tiles Laying Machine is a high-powered and efficient tool designed to simplify the tile installation process for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its robust specifications and user-focused features make it an excellent choice for laying wall and floor tiles. The Onevan Tiles Laying Machine is a reliable and efficient tool for anyone involved in tile installation. Its robust features, like adjustable vibration speeds, high absorption capacity, and battery-powered operation, make it a valuable addition to any tiler's toolkit. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this machine provides the power and precision needed for high-quality tile installations. Number 5. Electric Goddess ZDQ002 Tiles Laying Machine. The Electric Goddess ZDQ002 Tiles Laying Machine is a compact, efficient, and user-friendly tool designed to make tile installation easier and more precise for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Electric Goddess ZDQ002 Tiles Laying Machine is a dependable and innovative tool that streamlines the tile laying process. While it might not completely replace traditional methods for heavy-duty applications, it's a game changer for smaller and medium-sized projects, providing precision and convenience at a competitive price. Highly recommended for anyone looking to upgrade their tiling game. Many thanks for watching this video.